Okay, we're shooting now.
I really hope this is recording.
Yeah, it is. I'm pretty sure it
We
is.
still haven't figured it out.
I think I need to be lower though. Ooh,
Do I need to be lower?
that threw me forward. Ah, I can't get it. Hold on.
Is this showing blue?
Just wait. Just wait. You
Hey!
didn't
Happy
have
Halloween! Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Did we do it?
I think so.
Looks funny?
You look like a redheaded kid.
From the 90s.
No, just from all the time. All right. Welcome back.
Yeah, welcome back to the Halloween special!
Happy
Can you fix that for
Halloween.
me?
Oh, your ginger wig is getting messed up here.
It's a pumpkin.
Oh,
It's a pumpkin wig.
cool with me.
Pumpkin.
So, oh, excuse me.
Really?
I even stifled that a little bit. What are we working on? What do we work on this time?
Something for your hair, something cool and sexy.
Something Halloween-y?
Something with a skull on it.
Yeah, it's actually really nice. I'm really happy how it turned out. So we did a Halloween Kanzashi flower piece. Halloween
Kanzashi Halloween flower piece.
Something like that.
Halloween Kanzashi flower
Halloween
piece.
Kanzashi flower piece. So you can see that, probably not, but it's got little dangles and there's a little orange for Halloween. Yeah, so we got a tutorial for you this time. I'm just going to show you what I made.
Is it just going to be sped up?
Yeah, it's going to be like my hands putting it all together. It's really
Okay.
easy, really easy. So it was nice. It was nice.
We'll play some spooky Halloween music behind it.
Yeah. Not cheesy Halloween music though. But yeah, so it sits in your hair. Like so. Probably can't see that. We'll take,
Oh, very
we'll take
nice.
better pictures.
Well, that went easy.
Kind of dangles and stuff. But she also went,
Nice. Well, let's get to it.
yeah, and enjoy the tutorial.
Okay?
Yeah, I think so.
How's my pumpkin helmet?
Looks pretty ridiculous.
Looks pretty cool.
It looks like you need bangs.
I already have bangs.
Like it looks
You said I didn't look good in bangs. You said my forehead was too big.
No, if your forehead's big, you're supposed to have bangs.
Oh, so that's why you have bangs.
My forehead's not big, it's just flat. It's not big, it's flat.
Okay. Sorry it came out late.
Well, yeah, I guess it's a great
And this is 2019, then just the perfect time.
Yeah, great. Great. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope you guys like tag Wakku Wakku if you make this and show us what yours looks like, or if you come up with any other creative ideas for like Kanzashi Halloween type things. And we'll have some more tutorials with Kanzashi and other crafts soon.
In the next 2 weeks, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, so please like and subscribe.
And tag us in photos, and tell your friends about us. Tell your mom and dad, and maybe
Tell them about my hat.
talk about us in your prayers or something.
What? Thanks, guys. Bye-bye. Ah.